Hello, guys, and welcome to another episode of Gamemaker. In this episode, it's all the same, did not change whatsoever. We are going to do side scroller, gravity, jumping, all in side scroller. Finally, because I really like side scrollers. It's like my favorite type of games, I guess. So first, we're gonna have to create gravity, and the room I just made it like this just to demonstrate side scroller, I guess. I've tried to record this a few times. We yeah. I was using the right and left and stuff keys to move, but I was so used to Minecraft, so I was using A, D, W, S and stuff. So I was like, oh god, there's a problem. I couldn't figure it out, and of course, oh, I used the arrow keys, and oh my god, problem solver not worked. But that was just, it was so screwed up. So I'm just gonna have to restart. So first, we're gonna have to create gravity, add event. I'm the guy, go into guy, your guy, or whatever, which in this case is some sort of caveman. Go add event. This is the same game, just to tell you this information. So we're going to go and create a step event. Don't worry about those, just press step. And then we're going to go control, and then questions will do this. And we're basically going to check if there's a block beneath us. So if the point beneath us is collision free, if the position beneath us is collision free, well, it's gonna make us move down. If it's not, it's not gonna move. So what I've done here is it checks if the block beneath me is empty, and then yeah, we'll go into back into move, and then do the set gravity, which is an arrow that's pointing an arrow that's probably pointing an arrow. Drag that in, point direction 270, which is down. Left is 1, then 90, then 180, and then 270, 360. 0 and 360 is like the same thing. Anywho, go direction 270, gravity 0.5. That's like the typical gravity that I use. And do not check relative, or else it'll keep going faster and faster. Well, actually, no, it would just get you going extremely screwed up. Could probably show that after, just for fun. And then go back into control, take the else, which is in the other, drag that in. It's just gonna say if the position is collision free, set the gravity, and if it's something, of course, else, it's gonna set the gravity 270 to 0. Why I just did 270 and not the direction that you're going is that you don't want to get stuck in a wall. You always want to set the gravity down, not to if there's a block beneath you, you're gonna stick to the wall beside you. No, no. We want to do it gravity down. So actually, we're gonna keep all those. We don't need down if you're doing. Delete this if you're doing a side scroller. It's not much help. Delete that. Now the up I'm going to use to make jumping. So you can delete the jump to position. That's not important. But now this, I'm just gonna change this to that. So it's gonna check if the point beneath us there's a block, is not empty. And that's gonna make us jump. So checks if there's nothing there. Put the vertical speed to, I don't know, -6. And then that's gonna not make us go down, but go up. That's the way it works. When you go down, like down, normal is down, and then -6. So 6, the speed -6. So basically, it's just gonna make us. Better way to explain. Crud. Yeah. So when you press up, I'm gonna try to explain as precise as I can. If when we press up, it'll only jump if there's a block beneath us. Yeah. And because there isn't, it's just gonna get the gravity thing. But now, if I tried to run the game, just have this. If I press run, it won't do anything. It'll just fall. That's basically all it does. So we're gonna have to add a collision event with the wall, which is a dirt face. Then we'll go back into guy, add event, collision with whatever it was, your wall, which is in my case a dirt face. And then we'll go into the move, and then you'll see in the jump there'll be a thing that says move to contact. Drag that in, put the direction to 270, and the maximum to, I don't know, 12, anything. And then put the set vertical speed to 0. That's pretty much all you need. It doesn't matter which way you put it. It works both ways. So I'm just gonna put this one. No, this way. And basically that's all there is. Boop. Okay. I'm using the AW things again. That's why I screwed up last. So yeah, we got it jumping. So as you can see there, it only jumps if there's something there. I'm trying to point at the screen. If there's point here, so whoosh, there's a block and it makes me jump. Block there. No, yes, no, yes, no, yes, no. So that's basically how it works. The gravity, it's really good. But now, if I want to get to higher points, how the heck am I going to do that? Like, for instance, jump here. Well, what we do, and just get exit her, then go into the jumping event, and then set the vertical speed to something higher. Like, to jump that's probably pretty, 17. And then if we run that again, I'm probably going to run super, whoosh, 17, that's huge. So yeah, it doesn't, whoa, that's high. So yeah, that works really well. But for instance, you want to change how much the gravity is. You go into the step gravity, then change to something higher. Let's do 1. That's probably gonna be insane. Oh, it's a bit more realistic now. So yeah, the gravity is just plain and simple. Whoosh. Wow, this is a really good. Of course, it's gonna make me jump a lot less higher because there's not much gravity. There's a lot of gravity. I mean, so I'm just gonna try 0, 1. So yeah, if you put well, what the heck am I? I'm like floating down. Where am I? Oh, there I am. Slow motion. So yeah, that's all I want to show you. I'm gonna do other tutorials like this just because they're so easy. So yeah, goodbye.